CIP System for industrial cleaning.
In industries where hygiene, precision, and efficiency are critical, CIP, clean-in-place systems, play a vital role in maintaining equipment cleanliness with minimum dismantling.
If industries don't use the right CIP clean-in-place system and components, the impact is not limited to poor cleaning. It directly affects product quality, compliance, operational cost, and equipment life. Common problems include incomplete cleaning, residue buildup, microbial contamination, high operational costs, increased downtime, equipment damage and reduced lifespan, product cross-contamination, inconsistent cleaning results, dependence on manual cleaning, inefficient spray performance.
Mican Engineers Pvt. specializes in manufacturing high-performance spray components for CIP systems, ensuring reliable, consistent, and efficient cleaning across multiple industrial applications. What is a CIP system? A CIP, clean-in-place system, is an automated cleaning process used to clean the internal surfaces of equipment, such as tanks, pipelines, reactors, and vessels, with minimum manual disassembly. By circulating cleaning solutions through the system, CIP ensures thorough internal cleaning, reduced downtime, consistent and repeatable results. The effectiveness of any CIP system largely depends on the spray nozzle components used for cleaning. Mican Engineers offers a wide range of high-performance spray components: rotary tank cleaning nozzle, spray ball nozzles, multiple full cone nozzles. Our CIP system components are widely used in pharmaceutical industry, food and beverage processing, cosmetics and personal care, chemical and petrochemical plants, breweries and distilleries. We are proud to serve reputed pharmaceutical companies such as Aurobindo Pharma Limited and Natco Pharma Limited.
Looking to improve your CIP system performance? Contact Mican Engineers Pvt. for customized spray solutions.